because this is gonna be so cringy because I've never filmed a hair tutorial like a box.
Smile on your face makes it easy to trust you. If they only knew.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ignore the fact that I'm looking like a hot mess right now. That's because I literally just came back from Jamaica and I got home by 3 a.m. and it's like 12 or something right now. So like I'm so tired and I just showered, but I don't have makeup on except my lip gloss. So yeah, so in today's video we're gonna be doing a hair tutorial. It's been long I did a tutorial, so I'm back with box braid tutorial. And they are red, and I got them for AliExpress for like $2 something or $3. Wait, let me check. This is the ones I got. They're right there, $2.30, and I got 7 of them, which came to $13 Canadian, which is really good. So I'm literally just gonna go ahead with my leave-in conditioner and apply that to my hair because I forgot to mention I already like washed my hair and conditioned it and I already brushed through it. So now I'm just gonna like apply my leave-in conditioner into my hair. This is what my hair looks like. I feel like this color looks too shouty. Okay, so this is what a full pack looks like. This is gonna look cool because I'm going to school with this. So that's the length. It's 24 inches. And yeah, so let's start. You know what? I'm so sorry because this is gonna be so cringy because I've never filmed a hair tutorial, like a box braid tutorial. So I really hope this goes well. I really do hope so. Ouch. Oh, and for those of you who are gonna ask me why I didn't blow dry my hair, that's because when I brush it out, I feel like it's like good enough because I don't like using heat on my hair. So but I would advise you to use heat because I feel like that's gonna be more straight, but it's all up to you. So let me show you guys what the back looks like. So this is what the back looks like. Like I said earlier, I can't really see how I cut them, like how I sliced them at the back. So I really just let my intuitions like decide for me. So and now let's get started. Okay, so now to start the braids, you're just gonna like take the piece you want. So this is what I want. I'm gonna like kind of add a little bit at the end, so I'm just gonna take a little off. So this is what I want right here. So let's get into it. With that piece you've gotten, you're gonna like kind of divide it, and one piece has to be bigger, and that's because, so this is what it looks like. Then you're gonna place them over like a cross sign and that. So this is what you should get. So it's like kind of a Y. So let's get into this. At the back, you work your way through it, and just kind of like just kind of like go with it, I guess. This piece. Oh, actually, I just need one piece because I want it to be like longer than 24 inches. So I don't know if you saw that. That's how you add hair into it. So now we just kind of like braid it. Get a little gel to make it smooth, you know. Okay, now I'm actually gonna add this other one again, and that's the last hair I'm gonna be adding because I think that length should be okay. Okay, so I haven't really finished it. I'm gonna do that later. Okay, so as you can see, I did change shirts. No, like my actual shirts inside. It's 1 a.m. in the morning and I'm that far. But like, I did wait some to the end, but I left some. Like this one's like completely done. So y'all, it's like 7 a.m. 7:14, and this is how far we've gone. So I just have this last line to do, which I'm gonna do and then come back. I'm so tired, fam. I haven't slept since yesterday. Okay, so I'm done installing it, and frick, I look so ugly. And now I'm just gonna like, you know, braid it all to the bottom. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So I'm done with the braids, and now I'm just gonna go in with trimming the braids. Like trimming's called like taking excessive hair out of the braids. So yeah, I'm done with the braid. Okay, so I'm literally done. All I have to do is like dip it in hot water now. Okay, but like hopefully it doesn't fall, but like it's like super long. Okay, so when I put it in hot water, it's not gonna look like this anymore. Like it's gonna kind of be like, you know, be smooth or something. Like I almost fell. But yeah, that's the length. You know what? Good night. I'm going to bed. Okay, so I'm done. Like I put it in hot water and everything. So yeah, it looks more real now. And I'm just gonna show you. I haven't done my makeup yet, but I'm just gonna show you real quick because like I'm heading out, bro. Okay, so this is what oh my god, look at me fit. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm ready to live with a red hair for the rest. So okay guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up because your girl really used 9 hours of my life to braid this. And I kind of like it, though I really like it because it's my favorite color. And also comment if there's any other color you want to see me in, because I think my next color is going to be like blue. That's if I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do another crazy color. So yeah, see you guys till like my next video. Bye.